I just got my first order from Grove Collaborative and I was so excited. I actually had already opened it because I was just too excited. I had to see everything that was in it. So I wanted to share with you what I got. I'm so excited. So we're just gonna get right into the unboxing video. So the first item I'm gonna grab, it's for all my ladies. So first one is applicators. This is organic cotton and it's a plastic applicator. So I'm excited to try this and to, see if I like this product. Next is from 7th Generation as well. This is facial tissue and it's 100% recycled. We use a lot of tissues in this house, so it'd be nice to try this out. And next, a dish brush. And the head is like replaceable, so you could just order the top piece. So that's really nice. And let's see. Ooh, I was really excited to get this. I saw this on a lot of different YouTube videos of those people who order from Grove Collaborative. And this is really pretty. I'm actually just gonna open it so you can see what it looks like. It's just like a really pretty tray. And you can keep this in your kitchen or a bathroom. So I'll probably keep it in my bathroom. So excited about this. And oh, this is nice. A kitchen towel. It's in the color Fog Gray. So it's just really simple. And you always need kitchen towels. So next thing is from Method. This is a daily shower cleaner. And I was really looking to find something to clean my shower. We have a stand-up shower and we have like this glass door. So I just wanna make sure that that's cleaned up, all the time. So I'm excited to try this out. And I think the next few items are from Mrs. Meyer's. So this is in the scent Lemon and it's a multi-surface cleaner, right? So that's really nice. And let me just see, I have to smell. That smells really good. It smells really fresh. Here's the other product from Mrs. Meyer's. And this is the dish soap, and it's in the same scent. This is the hand soap, and I believe this is in the scent Lavender, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. That smells really good. Okay, last item, this is a sponge. So I'm really excited to try out all of these different products. I'm so excited to try everything out. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Let me know, have you guys ever ordered from Grove Collaborative? Have you tried any of these products? Let me know what you think. I'm gonna see if I like how everything turns out when I clean with them, and I'll probably just share on my social media, on my Instagram, to let you know how I think everything works. I have to be very mindful of the products that I choose just because we have 2 dogs and we just need to be careful of the chemicals that we're spraying around our house because it could be harmful to them. So anyways, thank you all so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if this is something that you would like me to do in future videos, and I will catch you all on my next one. Bye!